Hello guys, welcome to the series of Dart programming language tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Dart sets. So let's get started. A set in Dart is an unordered collection of unique items. Dart support for sets is provided by set literals and the set type. So here we have a syntax for the same, where set name is equal to type or set type set name is equal to opening and curly braces. This is empty. Here we have the example. So where names is equal to John, Tony and Rahul. So here we have inside curly braces. So let's understand this with the help of one example. So let's take one variable, same, that its names is equal to John, Rahul and Tony. Let's print this one, print names. So let's run this program. So here we have our output John, Rahul and Tony. So we can print all these values using for each loop also. So for that we have to use names dot for each method, and here we have given the element, and let's print the values. So let's names plus element. Let's have semicolon here and here. So this is the for each loop. We will discuss more about this loop in our next upcoming tutorials. So let's run this program now. See, so we have iterated all these values John, Rahul and Tony using this for each method. So we can add some values also inside this sets. So let's try to add. So names dot add. Let's add some Suresh and let's run this program. See, Suresh is added here in the set. Dart sets properties. So these are the properties and the description of Dart sets. So let's have one example and understand all these properties. So let's understand Dart sets properties with the help of this names variable. I have assigned some values to it, the same values John, Rahul, Tony. So this is the first. So as we already know, it will give us the first element of this set. Print names dot first. Let's run and check. See, we are getting the first element is empty. So it will give true if the set is empty, otherwise it will give us false. Let's try names dot is empty. So as it's not empty, so we will get false. See, here we are getting false. The next one is not empty. Print names dot is not empty. So as it's not empty, we will get true. See, here we have true. The next one is length. So it returns the length of the given set. So let's try names dot length. So let's run it. See, here it's giving 3. The length of this set is 3. The last. So it is used to get the last element in the given set. Let's print names dot last. Let's run it. See, Tony. See, Tony is the last element of this set. And this one is a hash code. So it is used to get the hash code for the corresponding object. So here set is our object. So let's print the hash code of this name set. Let's print it. So see, here we are getting the hash code of these names. The last one is single. So it is used to check whether the set contains only one element. So no, it's not containing one element, so we will get one exception. Let's try names dot single. That's not single, we will get one exception. As we are not handling exception, we will talk about the exception in our upcoming tutorials. So let's run this program. So see, here we are getting state error, bad state, too many elements. Dart sets method. So these are the list of Dart sets methods with their description. So let's understand all these common methods with the help of one example. So here I have taken the same variable names and I will perform all the operations with these methods. So the first one is add method. So it insert a value at the end of the elements. So let's print first this names set, and let's try to add something in this set, names dot add. Let's add Ramesh. Now print it, the names. So let's run it. You see, we have added John, Rahul and Tony in the declaration, but we are adding again Ramesh here. So now we are getting John, Rahul, Tony and Ramesh. We cannot add duplicate values in the set. So here we are adding Ramesh, so it is added. If we are trying to add John once again, so it will not add John. Let's check. I'm trying to add John again. Let's run it. So see, as John is already there, so it didn't add it. So this statement is printed 2 times here. So, okay. So the next method is add all. So this method is used to insert multiple values to the list. So let's try to add names dot add all. Let's try some unique name like Ramesh, then Mike. We have to take all these in curly braces because it's a set. Let's put that. Let's run this program. I have a print statement, names. Now run. So see, we have John, Rahul, Tony, Ramesh and Mike we have added here using the add all methods. The next one is element add. So it is used to access the item by passing its specified index position. Suppose we want to print the Mike. So Mike is at 5th index. So this is 0, not in 5th, it's 4th. So we will calculate the index from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to use the 4 at index. So let's try names dot element at 4. Let's run it. So actually we didn't add the print statement here, so let's add that. Now let's print it. You see, Mike is printed here at it is in 4th index. The next one is contains. So it finds an element in the sets. So let's try this one. Names dot contains. So we will get Mike. Let's have it inside the print statement. Close the bracket. Let's run it. So see, it's giving true because Mike is already there. So it's giving us true. The next one is remove. So it eliminates or remove an element from the given set. So let's try this. Names dot remove. Let's remove Mike. Now print again this names set. Let's run it. See, John, Rahul, Tony and Ramesh are there, but Mike we remove. So Mike is not there now. The next method is toList. So it converts set object to list objects. Let's try this one also. So we will have a list variable, names list is equal to names dot to list. So this let's print this names list. So now this names is converted to name list and we are storing it to name list. That is a list type of variable. and we are printing the name list. So let's run this program and check the output. So see here, it is in square bracket, this line. So actually it's a list. So set is in curly braces and this is in square bracket. So this is the list. The next method is union. So it combines the value of the two given sets A and B. So let's take two sets. Let's declare two sets. Let's take set A is equal to some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and set B is equal to 2, 3, 7, 8. So come to the this method union. So it combines the value of the two given sets A and B. So let's try to combine. So print A dot union B. So it will combine. It will take the unique elements of these two sets and will combine them. So let's print this. Run this program. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. 6 is not there in these elements. See. The next method is intersection. So it returns the common element in both the sets A and B. So let's print A dot intersection B. So it will print only the common elements. It will not print the unique elements of each set. So let's run this one. You see, these 2 and 3 is the only common elements. 2 is here and 2 is here also. Sorry, 3 and 3, 2 and 2. So the next is difference. So it subtracts the one set with another set. So let's print A dot difference B. So let's run it. To see here 1, 4, 5, we are differentiating A to B. So A to B we will have 1, 4 and 5. Okay. So now clear. So it deletes all the elements to given set and returns an empty set. As simple as that. So we have names. So name dot clear. So it will clear all the elements in this name set. So let's print and check. So see, we are having empty set here. So I will upload all the examples discussed in this tutorial to my GitHub repo. So please find the link of the repo in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.